If you have shoulder or back pain, you can try sitting up. You can do the thunderbolt pose or just sit cross-legged naturally. First, lean your body forward slightly and arch your back a bit. Touch your chest and push it back. Now, take your right hand and feel your pinky finger extending. We can even make a 6 sign, leaving only the pinky out. It leads the inner side of our forearm to stretch out and then leads the inner side of our upper arm to stretch out. Push your chest back, keep your left hand on your chest and don't move. Let your pinky hook forward, pinky pulling forward, moving forward, pulling up. Pinky high, pinky leading the body upward. Keep your hand pushing against your chest, don't arch your lower back. Pull the pinky up more and you'll feel these ribs on the side stretching open. Your armpit is also stretched out. Everyone, pull your pinky upward. Feel like your pinky is pulling your belly button up. Feel like your pinky is about to lift your hips up. Pull the pinky up more, stretching upward. Okay, as you exhale slowly, lower your arm and relax. Okay, let's feel your shoulders. They're not at the same height anymore. Just feel it for yourself. You can also come into a cat pose for support. In this position, do you feel like your right shoulder has become more grounded? Does it feel more stable with your weight on your right hand? The inner side of your right hand will be more grounded. Once we've adjusted this shoulder, we can try a downward facing dog with feet apart. Do you notice that your right foot also feels more stable? Feel the imbalance in your body. The right armpit seems to be stretched more open. Okay, kneel back down. Straighten your body. You can inhale and lift both arms up once. Do you notice that in a naturally relaxed state, your right hand is also higher? Maybe you feel it, or maybe you do not. We can do it a few more times. This time, let's do the other side. First, gently lean your body forward, moving slowly. Put your right hand on your chest and don't move it. Make a 6 with your left hand. Lead with the pinky, sliding it forward. Keep your chest still as the pinky moves forward. Pull it forward and upward, stretching it high and long. Keep your hand pushing against your chest and don't move. Reach the pinky even higher. Don't flip it over. You can look up to see if it's pointing directly toward the sky. The pinky is stretching out. You can watch it. The pinky is reaching high, pulling on the ribs on your side. Okay, now slowly relax. Let's move forward into a cat pose support. Check if the inner sides of your hands are better grounded on the floor. You can bring your feet together and move into downward facing dog. Feel if the inner sides of both hands are more grounded. Are your armpits opening up more? You're becoming more stable in the support position. Good. Now return to kneeling. Let's do it again with both hands. Now draw a 6 with both hands and slide forward, slide forward, slide forward until you reach the floor. Arch your back, keep your head down, and when your hands can't slide any further, move them up, letting them pull you up. Start pushing your chest back, lower your head a bit, and reach up. Keep your head down, pinkies up. Head down, pinkies further up. Good. Now lift your head, pinkies up. Lift your head, pinkies up. Feel like you're lifting yourself up. Slowly pull with your pinkies until your entire pelvis is lifted. The pinkies are pulling the abdominal and pelvic cavities. Use your arms to pull your body up, as if someone is pulling your pinkies, as if you could touch the ceiling. Good. Now slowly come back and let your arms relax down from both sides. This pose helps us relax our shoulders and neck, and it also helps open up the ribs under the armpits. When we can lift upwards, this area is fully stretched out, like a fan being opened. It can breathe now, allowing the chest to move and providing great relaxation for our neck and shoulders. Do 5 to 10 sets and see if you can relieve the tension in your back.